On March 6, 2025, the British military confirmed that a Royal Air Force MQ-9A Reaper drone successfully executed a precision strike against a Daesh operative in Syria's Aleppo governorate. This action, conducted as part of Operation Shader, underscores the United Kingdom's ongoing efforts to neutralize the remnants of the extremist group, which, despite losing its territorial grip, remains an active threat. The operation took place on February 25, 2025, when the MQ-9A Reaper was on an armed reconnaissance mission in the region. Operated remotely by a dedicated team, including a pilot, a sensor operator, and an intelligence coordinator, the drone identified and tracked the target. Ensuring minimal risk to civilian life, the crew waited for an opportune moment before deploying an AGM-114 Hellfire missile, effectively eliminating the threat with high precision. Since its inception in 2014, Operation Shader has seen UK forces employing advanced aerial assets, including Reaper drones and Typhoon fighter jets, to conduct strategic strikes against Daesh operatives and infrastructure. These efforts have significantly disrupted the group's ability to coordinate and launch attacks. The MQ-9A Reaper is a state-of-the-art unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV), designed for long-endurance surveillance and targeted strikes. Equipped with electro-optical and infrared sensors, synthetic aperture radar, and laser designators, the Reaper delivers real-time intelligence and surgical strike capability. It carries a lethal payload, including Hellfire missiles and GBU-12 Paveway 2 laser-guided bombs, ensuring precise engagement while minimizing collateral damage. Manufactured by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, the Reaper operates with a Honeywell TPE 331-10 turboprop engine, achieving speeds of up to 240 ktas and altitudes of 50,000 feet. With an endurance of 27 hours and a payload capacity of 3,850 pounds, it serves a critical role in intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, ISR, and combat missions. Its robust avionics system, featuring triple redundancy and fault-tolerant controls, ensures operational reliability in high-stakes environments. The Reaper is deployed by the Royal Air Force's 13 and 39 squadrons, with operations coordinated remotely from bases in the UK and the US. While ground crews manage launch and recovery, mission teams operate the UAV via secure satellite links, ensuring seamless command and control over distant conflict zones. Since 2014, UK forces have conducted numerous airstrikes targeting Daesh strongholds, supply chains, and combatants in Iraq and Syria. In recent years, these efforts have evolved in response to changing threats, with key operations in 2024, including the destruction of a Daesh rocket launcher on April 21 and a targeted drone strike against a militant on June 18. The frequency of strikes has fluctuated, with 3 recorded in 2022 and 13 in 2021, reflecting the shifting operational landscape. Originally slated for retirement in 2015, the Reaper's service has been extended due to its continued effectiveness. However, the UK is preparing for its successor, the Protector drone, which promises enhanced surveillance and strike capabilities, further strengthening Britain's role in global counterterrorism efforts. The latest mission highlights the UK's unwavering commitment to preventing Daesh's resurgence. While the group no longer controls significant territory, its insurgent operations necessitate continued vigilance. Britain remains a crucial player in the international coalition's ongoing efforts to maintain security and stability in the region.